Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. My name is Simran and this is my little brother
Sahil.
and today we're going to be showing you how to make some butter paneer. These are one of my favourite dishes to order from restaurants, and since lockdown we decided to learn for ourselves and we're going to show you how to make it. So let's get started. So now we're going to take you through the ingredients.
We have some olive oil, we have some green chilli, and we have some salt, we have some garlic, and we have some tomatoes.
We have onions, some paneer, some water, single cream, cashew nuts, butter, garam masala, turmeric, malt vinegar and white sugar. Now we're going to roughly cut the onions and tomatoes. Let's get started. So you're going to put the pan on medium heat. Then once it's gone hot, you're going to add in some oil. After that, you're going to put in the onions. Now that we've done all the steps, we're going to blend it. Now that we've browned the paneer, we're going to take it off the heat. Then we're going to strain the gravy. So now that we've strained the gravy, we're going to heat it all up together for a further 10 minutes. So this is the final product of our butter paneer. We hope you enjoyed today's video.
And make sure to smash the like button and subscribe and comment down below if they work for you or not.
This is such an easy dish to make. You should definitely try it home. We'll see you guys in another video. But for now, goodbye! My name is Simran and this is my little brother.
Sahil.
And today we're going to be showing... Sorry, why are you so sorry?
Today I'm going to show you.
Sahil.
We have some olive oil. We have some chili.
We have some chili.